All right, Hell's AI World. Today we're going to be looking at OpenAI's new announcement. ChatGPT for Mac OS can now edit code directly in IDEs. Um, Available to Plus and Pro users. Okay, we're going to take a look at what this is. So we use Visual Studio Code quite a bit. If you don't use Visual Studio Code, here's what it is. This is like what you build websites with, everything like that. We'll have another tutorial on what that's about, but here we're going to look at this today. Today we're going to be working with the contact page here. So what we do is go over here and open ChatGPT, and we're going to try out the new features. So I have a Plus account. So you're going to look for this little feature right down here, and we're going to go to Code Insiders because that's what I'm using is Visual Studio Code Insiders. And we're going to hit Add, and it's going to actually add that to page TSX. So inside ChatGPT, when you first click on the Visual Studio Code option, it will open up a window inside of Visual Studio Code, and it will allow you to install it from there. And we're going to want to add Code Insiders. Actually, this is not the Pro version. This is the Plus version. We're going to click this button right here, and we're looking at all the different codes here. It works with Notes. If you have a MacBook Pro, that is. It works with Cursor, Code, and Code Insiders. So Code Insiders is just one I've been using. It's the same as Code. So basically, we're going to add that. We're going to do the Contact Us page. This is the page. So I go over here and I'm going to look at what we're looking at. Right here, this is what we're going to change. We're looking at the Contact Us page, get in touch. We've got Matt at Hell's AI. I want to change this 123 AI Street to something else. We'll just do this to show a demo. We'll just say Starbase, Texas. We'll just say Matt AI Street. Matt GPT AI Street. Okay, so we're going to have ChatGPT change that for us. Let's get it back over to first we got to get over to our Visual Studio Code, then we bring up our ChatGPT, and we're working with Code Insiders page. Okay, now change the address from, we're going to change it to Matt GPT AI Street, Starbase, Texas. And we're going to hit that right there, and we're going to check and see if it's actually plugged in. So it's going to show us here the look at the code, insiders here. It's thinking. We can check the details and see what it's doing. It's actually going into this code right here, and it's finding, it's found the address, and now you see it's got the update change right there. So it's saying, okay, the address has been updated to Matt GPT at AI Street. So we're going to go over here and look and see if it's actually been updated. It's not been updated yet, so we're going to go ahead and look to apply here. So once we hit apply, it should be able to update that. Of course, we have to go over here, and we also have to hit save in this part here. Control S, and we should have it. Bam. So it works. All right, so let's just test it again here. Let's pull up ChatGPT again, just like this, and let's try talking to it. All right, we've got it paired on there, so now we're just going to talk to it. Hey, how you doing? I would also like to go ahead and change the telephone number to +1 800 708 0000. This takes just a minute, so we'll see how it does.
The phone number has been updated to +1 800 708 0000. Let me know if you need any more changes. And I'm doing great. How about you?
Good, good. Can you apply those changes?
The changes have already been applied. The address is now Matt GPT AI Street, Starbase, TX, and the phone number is +1 800 708 00. Let me know if you need anything else.
Okay, we can see that it did it by voice here, but it looks like we still have to go in and hit apply. Let's try hitting review. We can see the changes there. We've got the summary of edits, and we have the original, and we have the new one. So if we say, okay, let's hit apply. And then we save changes to the file, and we've got our new number there. Should be reflecting right there. Now, we want to revert back because we didn't really like that. So we had to revert it back. So this is pretty cool. I don't know if you like it, but I think it's pretty cool. Wave of the future. It's looking good. All right, team, this is just another video to start getting the video flow down. So, all right, take a look at the new website. It's almost finished. It's looking pretty good. Yeah, so very happy about that. Got some back buttons in there, and we got ourselves a snazzy little site. We can talk to Elon there. We got some solutions. We got our featured projects. Why choose are some of our stacks, things like that, and we have our. This actually updates live here from the Twitter account, and this also updates from our YouTube channel. So I'll try uploading that and make sure that actually works. Okay, there it is. We are looking good. Everything's looking pretty, and we have a new feature with ChatGPT. Looking pretty cool. Hope you like it. Stay tuned. If you have any questions, just let me know. Okay, bye-bye.
We're all gonna learn a thing or two about